cozy attic filled with old books and dusty trinkets, where the sunlight streams through a small window, casting warm golden hues. We see a young girl, Lila, sitting cross-legged on the attic floor, surrounded by piles of paper and a vintage typewriter. She gazes at an old photograph of her grandfather. She hesitantly reaches out to the typewriter, her fingers trembling with anticipation. With a deep breath, she presses the first key, A. The attic suddenly transforms into a vast, vibrant forest. Lila finds herself standing at the edge of a magical clearing, trees whispering secrets in the wind. She smiles in awe, realizing she's entered the world of her grandfather's stories. As she finds herself back in the attic, a sense of wonder tingles through her, the memory of her journey fading like a dream upon waking. Yet deep within her, she senses the promise of a grand adventure awaiting her, just within reach of her fingertips. With unwavering certainty, she knows that with each tap of the typewriter keys, extraordinary adventures lie ahead, beckoning her to explore the boundless realms of imagination.